Question 16. Absence of daily scrum will lead to A. Reduction in the velocity of development work. B. Reduction in the opportunity to create a status report. C. Reduction in the transparency of overall progress. Option C is the correct answer. Daily Scrum helps all developers in the Scrum team to understand their collective accountability to achieve sprint goal. Excluding daily Scrum will increase the risk of developers losing their focus from sprint goal and considering their individual work as their sole accountability. This may lead to inability to achieve the sprint goal within the sprint time box. Question 17. Sprint goal is an objective set for the sprint that can be achieved through the implementation of A. Increment items, B. Product backlog, C. Artifacts, D. Events. Option B is the correct answer. The sprint goal is an objective set for the sprint that can be achieved through the implementation of product backlog. Question 18. Scrum Master's role during daily Scrum includes A. Moderate the developers to make available the fair chance to speak to all developers. B. Teach the developers to keep the daily Scrum within the 15-minute time box. C. Facilitate discussions of the developers. Option B is the correct answer. Scrum Master coaches the team to keep the daily Scrum within its time box of 15 minutes. Scrum Master does not moderate or facilitate discussions. Developers conduct the daily Scrum based on their discretion. Question 19. In the middle of the sprint, product owner tells Scrum Master that according to his perception, the developers will not be able to meet the commitment to deliver the product backlog items selected during the sprint planning. What do you think on what Scrum Master must do? A. Talk to the developers, challenge and inspire them to complete all the work so that they meet their commitment to the product owner and have the forecasted velocity. B. Advise product owner that the developers owns the sprint backlog and it is up to them to meet the commitment. No one tell the developers how to turn product backlog into increment of potentially releasable functionality. C. Add more developers to Scrum team to meet the commitment to product owner. D. Coach the product owner that with complex software development, you cannot promise the entire scope that was forecasted during sprint planning. As more is learned during the sprint, work may emerge that affects the sprint backlog. Option B is correct answer. Developers self-organize to perform the work for creating potentially usable done increment. No one, including product owner, can direct the developers on how to perform the work to meet the commitment. Question 20. Select two options. Creativity, flexibility, and productivity of the Scrum team are balanced by A. Performance management system rewarding the team super achievers. B. Strong team management and guidance by a team member identified as their leader. C. Structuring the team such that it can self-organize its work towards a common goal. D. Having all the skills required to perform all their work without external help. Options C and D are correct answers. Flexibility, creativity, and productivity cannot be attained by the Scrum team if enough capabilities and empowerment are missing in the team. Presence of skill sets necessary to perform work without external help ensures capabilities. The self-managing structure ensures empowerment. These are 5 questions out of 400 unique practice questions for PSM1 and PSPO1 certification. To watch rest of the questions, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications.